horses out. We have Don't Explain. Pass to begin. Purely Kali in second. Jegito. Then followed by Pass and Free. Have a Nice Day. Bumpy Road and Lovely Gift. And going along for the first turn, we have number 2, Don't Explain by Oralenka. Purely Kali in second. 2 lengths away in third. Jegito. Pass and Praise racing in fourth. Have a Nice Day. Now moving up on the outside. Bumpy Road and Lovely Gift. They swing into the back. And it's still Don't Explain by Avaraneka. And on the outside, Jegito. Purely Kalis by the rail. Have a Nice Day. Fast and Free. Bumpy Road. And there was a spill. Jackie AP Peñaflor on Lovely Gift. Left seated, entering the fourth turn, and it's still Don't Explain by about 3 for Valenka. Jegito still in second, Purely Kali in third, then followed by Have a Nice Day, Pass and Free, as they come down at the last 200. Don't Explain by about 2.5 lengths. Jegito remains in second, Purely Kali. Last 100 meters, we have Don't Explain by about 3 lengths. Jegito, Purely Kali. And finally, Don't Explain. Jegito, Purely Kali, Fast and Free, Bumpy Road, and number 3, Have a Nice Day.